Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Galaxy PS5 controller is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for PlayStation 5 gamers, and for good reason. It offers a unique aesthetic that sets it apart from the standard DualSense, potentially enhancing your gaming setup with its cosmic-inspired design while retaining all the innovative features that make the PS5 controller a joy to use. From its haptic feedback to adaptive triggers, making it a compelling choice for those looking to elevate their gaming experience, both visually and functionally. Number 5. KontrolFreek FPS Galaxy Purple for PS4 PS5. Introducing the KontrolFreek FPS Galaxy Purple, designed for both PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5. Elevate your gaming experience with these performance thumbsticks. Achieve faster target acquisition and increased precision with the high-rise thumbstick on the right. The mid-rise on the left enhances control and maneuvering, giving you the edge in every game. Experience exceptional grip with our proprietary rubber compound. It requires less force, reducing fatigue in your wrists, hands, and thumbs for longer gaming sessions. The high-rise concave thumbstick adds 10.0 mm, significantly boosting accuracy on your right analog stick. Dominate your opponents with pinpoint precision. With a nominal height of 6.5 mm, the mid-rise concave thumbstick on the left analog provides enhanced control for in-game movement. Navigate your virtual worlds with ease. Enjoy the added grip and comfort across your entire game library. These thumbsticks also protect your original ones from everyday wear and tear. What we like. This offers a unique mixed height setup for your thumbsticks. If you're looking for a balanced approach to improve both aiming and movement, this is a great choice. It's ideal for gamers who want a versatile upgrade for all types of games. What people say. Great thumb pads that aren't useful for just FPS games. Wife has been using these for a few weeks playing action adventures and RPGs, takes a little bit of getting used to, but once you do, then going back to the stock sticks feels like a huge downgrade. Risers make the movement of the sticks feel much smoother and the recessed pads have a good grip. The range of motion feels great. I use the high rise on the right control stick and the mid rise on the left control stick. These are great for FPS gaming for those who play a lot of FPS games. They did their job in helping me improve my experience accuracy in gaming. These are the best thumbsticks on the market and priced accordingly, and if you like extenders, then these are your best option. They are made with high-quality plastic and rubber with unique textures. The right extender is slightly lifted to improve your range of motion so your thumb can do less work and reduces fatigue. IDs say accuracy of the gunfire was improved with less motion from the thumb. Number 4. KontrolFreek FPS Inferno for PS4 PS5. Introducing the KontrolFreek FPS Inferno, designed to elevate your gaming experience on PlayStation 4 and 5. With an added 9.9 mm of height, it significantly boosts your in-game accuracy. Achieve faster target acquisition and more precise movements than ever before. Experience an exceptional grip thanks to its proprietary rubber compound and laser etch detailing. This ensures your thumbs stay locked in, even during intense gaming sessions. Designed for comfort, it requires less force to use. This reduces fatigue in your wrists, hands, and thumbs, allowing you to play for extended periods. These high-rise convex thumbsticks are engineered to improve your shooting accuracy, especially in mid to long-range engagements. Featuring a unique spiral pattern, it adapts to the pressure you apply. The harder you play, the more it works to keep your thumbs from slipping, ensuring consistent control. What we like. This one features two high-rise thumbsticks designed for maximum accuracy. If you're a shooter enthusiast who prioritizes precision, especially at longer ranges, you should consider these. The spiral pattern ensures your thumbs stay locked in, even during intense gaming sessions. What people say. The thumbsticks provide incredible height and precision, making aiming in shooters much smoother and more accurate. The textured surface feels amazing and gives a solid grip, even during long gaming sessions. I noticed a big difference in my aim and accuracy. They stay secured as long as you install them correctly. Number 3. KontrolFreek FPS Galaxy White for PS4 and PS5. Introducing the KontrolFreek FPS Galaxy White, designed for PlayStation 4 and 5. Elevate your gaming experience with these performance thumbsticks. Achieve faster target acquisition and increased precision with the high-rise thumbstick. The mid-rise thumbstick enhances control and maneuvering, giving you the edge. Experience exceptional grip with our proprietary rubber compound. It requires less force, reducing fatigue in your wrists, hands, and thumbs for longer gaming sessions. The high-rise, convex thumbstick adds 10.0 mm, significantly boosting accuracy on your right analog stick. Dominate your opponents with pinpoint precision. Gain enhanced control over in-game movement with the mid-rise, convex thumbstick on the left. It adds a nominal height of 6.5 mm for superior maneuverability. Enjoy the added grip and comfort across your entire game library. These thumbsticks also protect your original ones from everyday wear and tear. What we like. This provides a mixed height combination for a balanced gaming experience. If you enjoy a variety of games and want improved control and comfort without drastically changing stick height, this is the one for you. It's perfect for everyday gaming and protecting your controller's original sticks. What people say. Super easy to put on joysticks. They aren't loose and stay on tight, which is a problem he's had with other brands in the past. The raised design gives me better precision when aiming in shooters, and the extra grip keeps my thumbs from slipping during long gaming sessions. They snap on securely and don't feel loose at all. The increase in height gives you more range of motion on the stick, which allows you to better move a sniper scope in smaller increments. Number 2. KontrolFreek Omni for PS4 and PS5. Experience unparalleled comfort with an extra-wide, concave surface. It provides 145% more surface area, making your gaming sessions more enjoyable. Our proprietary rubber compound offers a non-slip grip that enhances your control. You'll maintain a firm hold, no matter how intense the action gets. These attach easily to your existing thumbsticks, providing a secure fit. Unlike other brands, they won't slip or stretch out over time. With a minimal height increase of 4.0 mm, these allow for quick adjustments. The concave design ensures your thumbs stay perfectly positioned. Enjoy the added grip and comfort across your entire game library. They also protect your original thumbsticks from everyday wear and tear. What we like. This offers an extra-wide, low-rise design for superior comfort and grip. If you have larger hands or find standard thumbsticks uncomfortable during long play sessions, you should definitely check these out. They provide a significant increase in surface area for a more relaxed gaming experience. What people say. Great fit for my PS5 controller. They are easy to put on and do not fall off, but they are easy enough to pull off if you need to do so. The texture feels great on my thumbs and the black color matches my controller perfectly. Great quality and nice grip. The grip on these sticks is great and the rubber always sticks to my finger well even when I'm really giving the controller some force and speed. Number 1. KontrolFreek Aim Boost Kit for Xbox controllers. Achieve smaller, more precise movements with our performance thumbsticks. The included precision rings add resistance and shock absorption, allowing you to increase your in-game sensitivity for better accuracy. These thumbsticks are ergonomically designed for improved comfort. They help reduce fatigue in your wrists, hands, and thumbs during extended gaming sessions. Our precision rings are made from a unique material that adds resistance to your existing thumbsticks. This allows for more accurate shots, even at maximum in-game sensitivities. With mixed-height thumbsticks, you can achieve faster target acquisition and increased precision. The rings provide better control and maneuvering, preventing you from overshooting your targets. These accessories cushion your sticks, adding resistance to help you react more quickly during battles. Increase your in-game sensitivity and dominate the competition. Experience enhanced gameplay with this stylish black Galaxy edition. It's designed to elevate your gaming performance and comfort. What we like. This is a complete kit designed to optimize your aim with both performance thumbsticks and precision rings. If you're serious about improving your accuracy and want the ability to fine-tune your sensitivity with adjustable resistance, this is the ultimate upgrade. It's perfect for competitive players looking to gain an edge. What people say. The extra height on the right stick gives you a much wider arc of motion, meaning you can crank your in-game sensitivity way up while still making tiny, precise adjustments. Plus, the laser-etched Galaxy design is super grippy, no more thumb slips during intense 1v1s. They add physical resistance, which prevents you from pinning the stick too much and overshooting your target. It makes the aiming feel much more deliberate and smooth, especially when sniping. The concave surface of the Galaxy sticks feels very natural and reduces thumb fatigue during long sessions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.